Hello viewers, it is Milo, and today, we are at the emergency room. Why you may ask, it is because as most of you know, Snuffles switched genders Mumu and Talalo. He turned Mumu into a boy, and he turned Talalo into a girl, and now Sniffles is going through serious consequences. We got an update on Mumu and Talalo yesterday saying that they was just fine, but was in serious condition and had to remain in the hospital for about a week. So we decided to show Mumu and Talalo that we care about them by buying gifts to help make them feel better. Sniffles is also forced to write an apology letter and is going to give it them today. Now let's see what everyone got. We'll start with you, Red Girl. What did you get for Mumu and Talalo?
I bought their copy of their movie, The Nutcracker.
That's a great choice there, Red Girl. What about you, Blue Boy?
I bought their copy of the Happets plush in the box. And I wrote their message inside the box.
I bought their Upbeat Notes Complete Edition and the My Little Pen I Meet the Ponies.
I am going to give them a get well soon.
I am going to give her this box of chocolates.
I am going to give them these Jim Henson DVDs, such as Sesame Street, The Muppets and Fraggle Rock.
I am going to give a Baby Einstein's DVD, as well as a chocolate cake that I bake for them.
I am going to give them Little Einstein's Mission Celebration.
And I got them Valiant DVD.
Those they're all wonderful gifts, guys. I am sure that Mumu and Talalo will be very thankful that you guys came. And if you guys are wondering what I am going to give her, I am going to give her this photo that was taken during the Nutcrackers trailer. It was the first trailer when Mumu whispered me. Oh, and one more thing. Has anyone seen Sniffles?
I'm over here.
Oh, there you are, Aardvark. Do you have your apology letter that you are going to give to Mumu and Talalo?
No, I actually threw it away.
Ugh, my God, Sniffles. Why would you do that?
Because I actually bought them better gifts. It is a new roller shoes with a Pixar short film complete edition.
Oh, okay. As long as you got them something. By the way, you are still going to have to apologize to them for what you did. Am I understand?
Oh my God. I hate my motherfucking life.
Oh no, not gonna happen. There is absolutely no swearing in here. You got that.
Ugh, fine.
Good boy. Now let's start heading the elevator. Mumu and Talalo is expecting us.
Come in. Oh. Hello there, Milo, and the rest of you. We are so glad you guys came.
Hello, Mumu and Talalo. We came by because we wanted to check up on how both you are doing.
We are doing fine. Thank you. The doctor told me. We are in serious contention. But he said it is nothing too horrible and that we should be released no later than next week.
That's great to hear, Talalo. Anyways, we wanted to drop by a few presents to help you feel better.
Presents? Really? For us?
Yes, for both of you.
Aw, you guys didn't have to do that. You are so sweet.
Alright, here is my present. Alfred, can you hold the camera please?
Sure thing, Milo.
Here is my gift. It is the trailer from the Nutcracker when you whispered me.
Ah, thank you so much, Milo. It is very pretty.
You're welcome, Mumu. Get well soon.
Hello, Mew, my love. I bought you this chocolate box to make you feel better.
Oh wow. Alfred, thank you. You are the best boyfriend ever.
You are welcome. Get well soon.
Hi, Talalo. I brought you these DVDs from shows that were on Jim Henson, which is now Hit Entertainment. I got you Sesame Street, The Muppets, Fraggle Rock.
Wow, Thank you, my love, for thinking about me. You know how much I love Jim Henson.
You're welcome. You both can ask the doctor and nurses to play one of these anytime on the TV here. Please, get well soon.
Hey, Talalo, I heard what happened to you, so I bought you a Baby Einstein's DVD, and I also baked you a chocolate cake.
Thanks, Rita. I can't wait to eat that chocolate cake. It looks so good.
You're absolutely welcome. Please, get better soon.
Hello, Mama, my BFF. I brought you Little Einstein's Mission Celebrations.
Wow. Thanks, Terry. You are a great BFF.
No problem, Mumu. Take it easy there.
Hello, Talalo. I hope you are doing well. I brought you this Valiant DVD to help make you feel better.
Thank you, Alfredo. You are a really good friend.
Anytime, Talalo. I can't wait until you get out of the hospital.
Hi, Mumu. I am so sorry for what Sniffles did to you at lab to make up for what happened. I brought you your movie. The Nutcrackers. Aw, thanks, Red Girl. You are really sweet. You're welcome, Mumu. I hope you feel better soon.
Hello, Mumu. I bought you your plush and there was a letter inside.
Wow. It has my letter in it. That's so sweet. Can you open it to me?
Of course. Why not? Dear Mumu and Talalo, I hope you both get better soon. We miss both of you a lot. I hope Sniffles get punished for a really long time for what he did to both of you. I know you will fight through this. You never give up. Stay that way. From Blue Boy.
My gosh. That was the nicest thing anyone has ever wrote to me. Thank you, Blue Boy.
You're welcome, Mumu. You will get through this. I know it.
You too. I brought both of you the Peanuts Complete Season DVD and My Little Pony Meet the Ponies to help both of you feel better.
Wow, Mr. Top Hat. Thank you so much. I like the Peanuts so much. You are so smart.
You are both welcome. Get well soon.
Hello, you two. I heard about what happened both of you at the lab. I figured I might be a little bit better.
Okay. Sure. Go ahead. That felt pretty good. You are real cuddly. Thanks, Professor Conrad.
You are welcome, Mumu. Me and my partner will pray for both of you every day. Feel better soon.
Hi, whatever, and now bye.
Sniffles, stop it. Be nice.
Ugh.
Hi, Snuffles. Is there something you want to say to us?
Sigh. Yeah, I guess. I am sorry for changing your both genders in my lab. It was very wrong of me, and I should have accepted you're a girl and Talalo is a boy. And I feel really terrible that both of you ended up in here. I hope you get better soon. But I got you an extra special gift to make up for what happened. Really? Now, for once you are doing something good, Sniffles. What is it? Is this?
Oh my god. Snuffles, what is wrong with you? You know I hate dick figures. Also, you put poop in a box, which is really disgusting.
Sniffles, I thought you said you bought them a Pixar short film collection and a new roller shoes. You lied. I am cutting the camera now. Sniffles, you liar. You said you had Pixar short film collection and a new roller shoes. But instead, you have the Dick Figures DVD and poop in the box. You are so disgusting.
You should know that everyone in this planet hates Dick Figures because it has a lot of offensive jokes and racist themes.
Yeah. Blue Boy is right, Sniffles. That was so mean.
Yeah. That was not cool at all.
They all have points, Sniffles. That was just plain heartless and cruel.
Yeah. You are so mean. You should be ashamed of yourself, Sniffles.
Yeah. That was just wrong, Sniffles. Just wrong.
That is it. Sniffles, you are grounded until Mumu and Talalo ethically gets out of the hospital. As your punishment, if you ever end up here in the hospital, we will do the same thing to you to see how you like it.
Ha 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 ha. I don't care.
Good.